Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to look at writing recursive definitions for geometric sequences. So a recursive definition has two parts. The initial condition here, a sub 1 equals some amount a, and then the recursive formula, the nth term, a sub n, equals the term before it, a sub n minus 1 times r for n. This should read greater than 1, not greater than or equal to. That's a mistake on my part. So let me fix that. Let's just go just greater than. All right, so let's go forward and see how to do this. So this first one says, write the recursive definition for the following geometric sequence. So first we want to figure out the common ratio r. So if I can take the second term here, 9, and divide by 3. And that's going to give me a common ratio of 3. So my recursive definition is going to include the two parts. The first term, a sub 1, that's 3. And then a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times the common ratio of 3 for n is greater than 1. Okay, so that's my recursive definition there. Let's try another one. Problem 2, write the recursive definition for the following sequence. Okay, so we're going to figure out the common ratio r. That's going to be 2 divided by negative 1. So our common ratio r is going to be negative 2. A sub 1 is our first term. That's negative 1. And then we want to write the recursive formula, a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times our common ratio, negative 2, and that's for when n is greater than 1. Okay, so that's our recursive definition for problem 2. All right, problem 3. Write the recursive definition for the following geometric sequence. We're going to figure out a common ratio r. Take the second term, 150. Divide by the first term, 200. And we get 0.75. Okay, so for our recursive definition, a sub 1, let's pretend that's a better a. That's going to be 200. A sub n is going to equal a sub n minus 1 times the common ratio, 0.75, and that's for when n is greater than 1. Okay, that we're kind of fitting that in. Whoops, let's undo that part. Okay, so that's our recursive definition there. All right, one more. Let's try this last one. Write the recursive definition for the following geometric sequence. So we're going to figure out our common ratio r. We're going to divide 18 by negative 30. And we're going to get a common ratio of negative 0.6. You'd want to check these doing maybe other terms as well, just to make sure. Our first term, a sub 1, is going to equal negative 30. Our nth term, a sub n, this is our recursive formula, is going to equal a sub n minus 1 times the common ratio, negative 0.6, for when n is greater than 1. And that's our recursive definition for number 4. If this helped you out and you think you know like-minded individuals that would be helped out by this, please feel free to share it with them. Also, if it did help you out, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.